GNA University, located in Pagwara, Punjab, has received an overall rating of 4.1 stars from students on shiksha.com. How are the BBA courses here? Let's find out in this detailed review, starting with the placements rated 3.9 out of 5 stars. According to NIRF 2024, 352 students graduated from the 3-year UG program in 2022-23. Of these, 178 students secured placements, while 25 students opted for higher studies. Students report that recruiters such as HDFC, Axis Bank, ICICI, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Times of India, and Bank of Baroda actively hire from the university. Top roles offered include supervisor, assistant managers, and marketing and finance managers. In 2023, the highest package offered was 17 lakh per annum, with a median of 2.4 lakh per annum, reflecting a 27% decrease from 2022. Compared to Chitkara University, GNA has scope to catch up in terms of the offered median packages to its BBA graduates. When it comes to internships, students have secured positions with GNA Gears, Sachdeva Stock, and Pukhraj Healthcare. Moving on now to the academics, with the GNA University offers a 4.6-star rated BBA program, including specialization in digital marketing powered with Upgrad. Admissions are based on 10+2 merit, and students can also apply through GUSET, the university's scholarship cum entrance test. The annual course fees is approximately 1.08 lakh, with additional hostel charges of 90,000 rupees per year. Scholarships are available based on merit, sports, and other criteria. Moving on now to the 4.7 rated infrastructure. GNA University's campus spans 50 acres and is well connected, just 6 kilometers from Pagwara Junction. It features smart, spacious classrooms and well-equipped laboratories, including statistical, tally, and AI/MA Biz labs, a DGCA-approved aviation wing, and a comprehensive library, all supported by campus-wide Wi-Fi. The university also offers well-furnished hostels for comfortable student accommodation. For sports enthusiasts, facilities include basketball, football, cricket, a gym, a swimming pool, while medical facilities ensure students' well-being. Turning our attention to faculty and course, rated 4.7 stars. Students appreciate and support the qualified faculty, many of whom hold PhDs. The curriculum features guest lectures, industrial visits, live projects, and internships. Meanwhile, collaborations with industry giants like Bosch, Siemens, Autodesk, and Dassault Systems further enhance the learning experience. Moving on now to the 4.7 rated campus life. Students enjoy regular seminars, webinars, workshops, and events such as cultural celebrations, hackathons, marathons, sports activities, and food fests. Lastly, GNA University is currently unranked in the NIRF 2024. For more details on GNA University and to check out thousands of courses and college reviews, download the shiksha.com app now. We'd like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.